students, let us discuss now about the maize seed. Maize seed, we call it maize grain, right? We call it maize grain. We call it grain because the fruit wall is fused with seed coat. In the starting of the chapter only I told you that when the fruit wall is fused with seed coat, then instead of calling it a fruit, we call it grain. So this is maize grain. In maize grain, you can see the light color portion, oval portion here. At the base, you can see here a light color oval portion. This marks the location of the embryo. It means this portion, this is the light color portion. This indicates the portion of the embryo. Here the embryo is present, okay, and rest of the portion of this large portion of this grain indicates the presence of endosperm. So this portion contains embryo, this portion contains endosperm. This endospermic portion and embryonic portion are separated by epithelial layer. So this layer is epithelial layer, okay. Now this endosperm, its outermost layer of endosperm is rich in starch, and this layer is known as eleuron layer. This embryo contains only one cotyledon, so it is a monocotyledonous. So it contains only one cotyledon. It is here, you can see this portion is cotyledon, and this one cotyledon is called scutellum, right? This portion, pointed portion, this pointed portion indicates here the presence of radicle, which give rise to root system. So radicle is present here at the pointed portion, and it is covered by a protective sheath. This protective sheath is known as coleorizer. And plumule is also covered by a protective sheath, and this protective sheath is known as coleoptile. So maize grain is monocotyledonous and endospermic seed.